to WKP. Today we're going to be doing a forecast on Hurricane Sam. But before we do, take a look at the gospel message in the description because Jesus can save your life. Let's get right into the forecast for Hurricane Sam. So as you can see, the convection in Hurricane Sam is significantly less. We only have around -60 at most for convection. So Sam is moving into some of that cooler water, and it's picking up less and less of that nice, warm, and moist tropical water, but it's now getting into that cooler Atlantic water. So we're going to continue to see weakening in Sam. One other trend that we're going to see is Sam is going to start looking more and more like the big red spot on Jupiter. As you can see, it's starting to get more of an oval shape, and this will become more obvious as we go out through the week. Also, the wind in the storm is becoming much more like an oval shape instead of a circular shape. And this is going to happen as this storm moves further and further along. This storm is going to last likely all the way until Friday, if not longer than that. Now, one thing that we should keep an eye on is the National Weather Service doesn't seem to forecast beyond 60 north, so that's why we have this flat line right here. But the GFS model is showing this storm going up and tootling somewhere around Greenland and Iceland. So it's likely going to stay around for quite some time, at least until next Friday. It'll likely be a tropical storm strength around next Friday. Now let's go to the key messages. As you can see, both Iceland and Greenland have a small potential for some tropical storm force winds as Sam is tootling out in the ocean, but it doesn't seem like but we will be seeing some life-threatening surf and ripped current conditions are still possible from Hurricane Sam. So that's still going on. Really, Hurricane Sam is on the downslide. It is going to end very, very soon. Now let's go to some of the other systems in the Atlantic. Tropical Storm Victor has dissipated. It is gone. It is done. And Disturbance number 1 only has a 10% chance of forming. Upper level winds are not conducive for development as of now, so it's unlikely we'll see development. Even the one of the models, though, is for forecasting it to form somewhere off the coast of North Carolina, so that is a possibility, but unlikely as of now, meaning that our tropical weather is likely starting to decrease, and we're starting to get towards that more winter season. Even though it is possible, we may see a few more systems. Thank you for watching. This has been WKP.